Hi guys, what's up and welcome to Kind Views. For those who are not familiar, my name is Pretty Kind, and for those who are, hi kitty. Welcome back, kitty. As mentioned before, for those who are not familiar, my name is Pretty Kind and I am pretty under the weather, which I'm actually shocked by considering the lifestyle I live, but whatever, it is what it is. As you probably can hear it in my voice, I'm so stuffy. It makes no sense. It makes no sense.
Get out! Get him out of here.
Literally, it makes no sense. But I will say, it's the holiday season. While it is flu season, it's also the holiday season. So I have been out of my house, out of my regularly scheduled program. My diet has been literally everywhere. And I've also been around people from different states and different lifestyles and children, lots of children. So yeah, all that to say, this is the results. I've also been in the fog. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but according to the internet, it does.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
And I'm going with it because why am I sick right now? Why? But whatever, we're just gonna remedy it. You never realize, it's these moments that you realize that you took breathing for granted. Like, it's only when my nose is stuffy that I'm just like, wow, all those moments I took for granted. Just inhaling deeply with no issue. Like I said, we're gonna remedy it. First things first, I'm gonna make a tea. And no, it's not the tea that you're probably thinking of. We're gonna make a red onion tea. But literally what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a single red onion. I'm gonna cut it into 4. I just like to cut it into 4, or however many pieces you want to. I like to do 4. And I keep the skin on because that is important. That is very important. Keep the skin on and I boil it for a few minutes. I want mine to be quite potent, so I am gonna use 4 cups of water. You can sweeten yours however you please. I choose to use honey. I'm also adding coconut oil this time. I need everything I can get. With that, you'll get this yummy, super cleansing tea. And I'm on my way to feeling better. While I drink this, I'm gonna make some soup. It really is that simple. You know everything that's in this. You don't need to read a label. Just make sure you're using organic everything and at least filtered water. At least filtered water. Even just breathing it in, I feel a little better. I feel like I can breathe. It's still super hot though, but goodness.